Hi everyone, sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, but I made a homemade racing go-kart from scratch. Got a Honda 110 engine off of a three-wheeler. Got a 40-inch axle here, new tires, new rims. New tires aren't that great anymore after drifting. Got a 48 tooth sprocket here, hydraulic disc brakes from an ATV. Got a 125 sleeved carburetor. Got the fancy steering wheel that pops off. Got a seat from pick and pull out of a Chevy S10. The gas and brake setup are great. Overall, it's a really great go-kart.